Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you everyone? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 students. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 10 and today we will do one word answer. And today we will read this chapter. Let's see today's topic from here. Our today's topic is chapter 10 and today we will write one word answer, one word answer and one question answer of this chapter. And this is lecture number 8 and our today's HW number will be 7 number HW. So dear students, let's begin the class. This is your science book and our today's topic is here. This one is here, chapter 10, page number 26. And the chapter name of this chapter is animals. Today we will read this chapter. And here is, you can see, this is the chapter 10, animals. This is first one. Here is, we can see this page, jungle animals. What is jungle animals? Animals those live in jungle are called jungle animals. And here is some picture of jungle animals. Let's read this animal's name. First one, here is the animal of, the name of this animal is bear. Bear. Bear spelling B-E-A-R. Bear. And second one here is zebra. Second one, here is the picture of zebra. Zebra spelling is Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Zebra. And now this one is lion. This one is lion. This is the picture of lion. Let's spell this word L-I-O-N, lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Students, when you watching this class, you can practice with me when I spell this word. Next picture is tiger. This one is the picture of tiger. And the tiger spelling is T-I-G-E-R, tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. And then the next picture is here, deer. This one is deer. And the spelling of deer is D-E-E-R, deer. And here is the next picture and the name of this animal is elephant. And this one is elephant. And the spelling of elephant is E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. And now this one. This one is the giraffe. This picture is giraffe. And the name of this picture, the animal name is giraffe, and the spelling of giraffe is G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Now here is the picture of this animal name is hippopotamus. And this animal name is hippopotamus. And the spelling of hippopotamus is H-I-P-P-O T-A-M-U-S, hippopotamus. And now next page, here is the animal of farm animals. They are farm animals. What is farm animals? Animals that are raised on a farm are called farm animals. And here is the first picture of hen. This is the picture of hen. Hen spelling H-E-N, hen. H-E-N, hen. And the second picture is goat. This one is goat. The spelling of goat is G-O-A-T, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. And here is the next picture of this. The name of this animal is horse. This is the name of this animal is horse. Horse spelling is H-O-R-S-E, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. And then next one is duck. This one is duck. And the spelling of duck is D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. And here is next picture is cow. This one is cow. And the spelling of cow is C-O-W, cow. C-O-W, cow. And the next one, here is the name of this animal is sheep. This is sheep. And the spelling of this word is S-H-E-E-P, sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. And now one word answer. Here is one word answer, and here is only one word answer. And the question here is, what kind of animal is cow? What kind of animal is cow? We have already learned here that cow is a farm animal. Cow is a farm animal. So for one word answer, you will write only here farm animal. Farm animal. Look at this answer, students. I am not using here capital letter. For one word answer, you will start here with small letter, and I didn't put here any full stop. So what kind of animal is cow? Answer is farm animal. Farm spelling F-A-R-M, farm, animal A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. Now question answer. Here is only one question and answer. Question is, write the names of 4 farm animals. Write the name of 4 farm animals. Answer is 4 farm animals are goat, duck, cow, sheep. 4 farm animals are goat, G-O-A-T, goat, duck, D-U-C-K, duck, cow, C-O-W, cow, and sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. So dear students, it was our today's topic. Now the time of HW. Our today's HW number is 7 number HW, and our HW will be, here is only one word answer and one question answer. It will be your HW. So I am writing here your HW 7 number is here. 1 word answer and question answer. One word answer and 1 question answer. This is your HW. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your SN-HW in your HW copy. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.